as per the question, there is a horizontal surface and there is a book or a block. Okay, so we can consider horizontal surface and a block on it. So this is a block, and there is a force acting on it, and the force is acting at an angle theta. Let us say you are pulling it, it's being pulled, so the direction of the force is at an angle theta, and you need to calculate work done by this force F when the body moves through a distance d. So from here assume that it moves in this direction through certain distance d. Okay, so the distance traveled by the body is d, and this angle with the horizontal is theta, so you can mark this angle theta. We need to find out the work done. Since F is constant, the work done will be equal to Fd into cos theta, but we need to find out force F. To find out the value of force, what we do is that we will resolve the force, given force, applied force, into two components. One component will be in this direction and the other component will be in the upward direction, right? And also we have the normal force acting from the surface on the body and weight of the body acting in the downward direction, and friction will act in the backward direction when the body moves. So these are the different forces acting on the body. So F will have one component here, one component here. This component will be F cos theta because this angle is theta, and the upward component will be F sin theta. This will be normal reaction. Backward you have friction, downward you have mg. Since there is no motion in the vertical direction, vertical forces must be balanced. So we can write the upward force n plus F sin theta should be equal to downward force mg. So that tells us that n is nothing but mg minus F sin theta. Okay. Now what is the friction acting? The frictional force will be equal to mu times normal reaction, and that will give you mu into the normal reaction is mg minus F sin theta. So we calculated the value of friction. Now from this friction we can calculate the applied force. It is given that the body is going with a constant velocity. That means horizontal forces, net force horizontally must be zero. There is no acceleration. If there is no acceleration, then we can write the applied force, the component of the applied force F cos theta should be equal to friction, balanced condition. Okay, so F cos theta is equal to, the friction we calculated is mu times mg minus F sin theta. From this we can calculate the applied force F. By rearranging, you will get this as the force will be given by mu mg divided by cos theta plus mu sin theta. This is the applied force. So the applied force is in terms of friction and angle, mu mg by cos theta plus mu sin theta. Now what is work done? Work done is given by F d cos theta, which is mu mg by cos theta plus mu sin theta into d cos theta. This is the work done, and that is given in the option 2. Option 2 gives the answer.